Bullish Chiliz cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1 and $2.18 by 2030. Market experts accept CHZ could reach $1 by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2022 is 17 cents. Chiliz presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and president of Chiliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing electronic organizations. Preceding sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intuitive travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ token. Fans can likewise buy select product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on furnishing fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers prizes for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is right now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz crucial examination. Chiliz is a digital money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is socios.com. A stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally takes into consideration quick and effective installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin is gotten from its utility for the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Also, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Associations. The Chiliz Group has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Holy Person Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Augasports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz current cost. Chiliz is presently worth 22 cents USD. CHZ has moved 10.97% as of now with an exchanging volume of $599,715,741. Chiliz is presently positioned 41 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,340,550,120 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Chiliz market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Chiliz Value Forecast 2022. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The CHZ cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 33 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 31 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of 26 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform 55 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the CHZ's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 44 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 48 cents. Chiliz Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 77 cents and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 71 cents and a low of 66 cents in 2024. Chiliz Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Chiliz effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2025. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1, with a base cost of 89 cents and a typical cost of 93 cents. Chiliz Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.16 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.11 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of $1.22. Chiliz Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.38. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.45. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.34. Chiliz Value Expectation 2028. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.56 and a yearly cost close above $1.67 in 2028. Chiliz Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.78 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.89, averaging out at $1.83. Chiliz Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme CHZ cost in 2030 is projected to be $2.18 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.